Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, especially when you factor in the context of just how strong it closed on Wednesday. So not only was that big movement wiped away, I mean, the price just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. So very clearly a lot of downwards pressure, downwards momentum headed here into Friday, which is not a guarantee of anything, but it's at least worth noting because it looks like it could be in play. But this level of support down there at 119.50 could very well be tested. And historically speaking, this has been a very solid area. So if the price does get down there, it's a very watched level, and it's a very good question to be wondering, all right, what exactly is going to happen down there? Is the price just going to, blow down through there and keep on dropping? Or could history repeat itself again where the price has, bounced off that level very nicely a couple of times? Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced off that level a couple of times before does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price will once again bounce. But I mean, is it at least is it at least a rational question to throw out there, and it's a possibility? Yeah, it absolutely is. So keep an eye on 119.50. Definitely a very interesting level. Not necessarily on Friday, but over the next few days here. Now, if the price all of a sudden starts to turn itself around, because maybe this downwards pressure says, nope, we're done, and the buyers show back up. So on any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, first key level of resistance is going to be right there, that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, which you can see was basically the level that continued to not allow the price to make any sort of upwards progress today. And the current value of that is, we'll just call it right around 122.35. So again, like I said, on any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, keep a very close eye on 122.35. But as of right now, definitely a lot of downwards pressure. So Friday going to be a very interesting day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.